Hi dear Libra, a very happy new year to you guys. So this is a general love reading for you Libras. So first of all we will check your partner's energy, what he thinks about you and what he feels and what he wants, and then the vice versa, I mean your energy, then the cumulative outcome and the overall energy for your relationship in January 2021. So it is going to be the Judgment, reconciliations. You're assessing your past actions. You are this is a reconciliation card. So if there is somebody in your past with whom you were not able to make things work out, so finally the things will move in your court and things will move forward in a very beautiful energy, that what I can see here. So we will first see what your partner is feeling. So it is basically a person from past whom you are dealing with from maybe 1 or 2 years, and this person, this relationship has a potential to come out as a commitment and as a what I can say, as a beautiful relationship. So let's see what your partner's energy is, what he thinks about you. Okay, your partner's energy right now, Libra, is Knight of Swords. Okay, this is their energy. So they are kind of rushing things, they are in rushing energy, they are in a hurriness, they feel like they want it their own way. They don't want it to be your way or someone else's way, they want it to be their own way. If it is not going to work out in their way, what he wants from relationship, he or she wants from this relationship, so they are going to get upset. They are going to feel like, no, yeah, I don't want it. If it is not working out with my kind of energy, I am not going to work on it, on this particular relationship. Okay, so this is the kind of energy your partner is feeling right now. He is in a rush, he is in the mood of taking things forward very hurriedly, and they are not thinking about it, they are just rushing into this relationship. They are kind of very passionate about this particular relationship. Okay, how they see you, they see you as the Knight of Wands. They see you as a very young, passionate, energetic guy or girl, and they are very attracted to you. They are physically almost we can say physical attraction is the most important part here. They are getting physically attracted to you a lot because they feel like you're very energetic, you're very charming, you're very passionate, and maybe you guys have a sexual chemistry, and that is why your partner is feeling a lot of attraction towards you right now. Okay, so what he feels right now is the Four of Swords. See, he is in a hurried energy. He wants to move towards you in a very passionate way, but right now what he is feeling is the Four of Swords. He is thinking about this particular relationship a lot. He is contemplating it, he is meditating, he is like seeking answers from the universe, what they want from this relationship, because they don't know. Right now they are in this particular energy of meditating, stopping by and just asking from universe or God that what they want from this relationship, that this is what they are feeling right now, what they want from this relationship. This is the Six of Pentacles. So they want a particular balance in this relationship. They want to give this energy to you, they want they want to take this energy from you. So they want balance. Basically they want the equal give and take from you. And Libra, they are feeling like they're not getting what they want from this relationship. Okay, so they are feeling a little bit of emptiness. That is why they are seeking balance somewhere in this relationship, and they are not getting it. That is why they are feeling kind of in hurry. So they are in a hurry just to see if this is going to work out or not. If this is not going to work out according to them, then they will maybe leave, or they will have a certain option open, maybe, who knows. Okay, so in the energy of your partner's outcome, this is the Two of Swords energy. So they are on the crossroads. They are not able to make any kind of decision regarding you, Libra. They are very confused about you. They don't know which way to go. That is why they are acting like a weirdo, and they are like not able to make it clear to you that what they want from this relationship or from you. Okay, maybe they were kind of stuck somewhere in the past, and now they are clear about you. Now they want you, now they want you to be with them only. So that is why they are making these kind of actions towards you, and they are kind of in a hurry, in a rush to make things work out. Okay, on the other hand, what you are. Your energy is the magician, Libra. You are manifesting this relationship with this particular person very, very, very strongly, because you are feeling like, I need this person in my life. I don't know how, I don't know what, I don't know when, but I need this person in my life because my manifestation power is on a high right now. And you are manifesting, constantly manifesting this person in your mind, in your heart, in your dreams. Maybe you are seeing them as a partner as well, as a long-term commitment partner as well, because you are manifesting it very, very hardly. How you see your partner is the fool. You feel like your partner is like a kid. They don't know how to act. They are very, very curious about everything. They have a very pretty smile. They are, kind of very, very beautiful creature for you right now. You are feeling love towards them. You feel like your partner is kind of a kid who is very energetic, who don't know where he's going, who don't know what he's doing, but they are doing it anyway in a childish energy, and you like it. You are in fact in love with them. Okay, so what you feel for this relationship is a King of Cups. You are in love with them, Libra. If you are feeling like you are not, you are lying to yourself. Okay, so you are in love with this particular person whom you are thinking about constantly, whom you are manifesting in your life. So you love them a lot, Libra. You feel like, yes, this is the kind of person I want in my life. You are stable. You are feeling like emotionally stable, actually, not financially. I don't feel like any financial stability. Yeah. So emotionally you are very, very attached. You are very, very attracted to this person. You are feeling like a soulmate connection with this person, and you are in love with this particular person, Libra. And what you want from this relationship, this is the Queen of Cups again. You want your person to love you back the way you love them. See, they are not able to understand what you are doing. They are not able to understand what you are feeling, because you are maybe not opening up to them, right? The way you should open up. Okay, you are not you are in love with this person, but you are not able to express yourself because you are feeling somehow maybe nervous or confused, or you are feeling what they are going to say about this particular thing. So you are not able to make yourself clear to them. Okay, so Libra, please go to them, please talk to them. It will clear their energy as well, and that is going to help both of you. Okay, so you want your person to love you back the way you love them, because this is the King of Cups and this is the Queen of Cups. Both of the cups, King and Queen, is here, and you want this relation to work out anyhow. And outcome from your side is going to be Nine of Cups. You will be feeling very happy. You will be feeling, maybe you are meeting this person after a long time of separation, and you are going to feel like, wow, you are feeling emotionally fulfilled, happy. In January there is lots of love coming to you, lots of happiness coming to you. You are going to feel like, yes, this is my life, this is my dreamy life that I always wanted from this particular person, and your manifestation is working. And so the guidance from the universe is the Page of Wands. There will be lots of passion, lots of energy, lots of happiness. A good news is coming to you, communication is coming to you, open communication is coming to you. Your energy is saying to me that you have to open up to this person if you want this relationship to work out the way you want it to. Okay, and this is the Seven of Wands. You have to steer clear of any kind of conflict. You have to take your ground, stand your ground, but you don't have to be kind of rigid towards this relationship or this person, because what I can see is you are not able to express yourself. That is why the conflicting energy is coming again and again to your life. So you have to take your stand. It is fine, you have to take your stand, but you have to deliver this message to them very, very softly and gently. Okay, and this is a Hierophant card. This is a very beautiful card. By the end of this month, by the end of January 2021, this is the kind of energy you are going to feel for this person, and your person will feel the same, I think. So this is the kind of commitment, long-term happiness, long-term friendship. This is kind of making you feel very, very happy and content, Libra. What I feel is this is the kind of energy that is coming to your life after so long, after waiting for so long. So finally this person is coming to your life. You are manifesting them and they are coming to your life. And January 2021 is going to be a very beautiful and very successful month for you guys in January 2021 in case of love. So this is the reading for you guys, Libra. I hope this helps. This is for you guys from my side. Thank you so much for listening, and if it does resonates with you, Do let me know in the comment section below. Do subscribe to my channel and please share with your friends as well, as much as you can. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste. And a happy new year to you guys. God bless you.